What's up, RoboZoo crew? I spent all weekend on this and today we're going to build an automatic crop farm using Python. You'll never have to farm by hand again, and it's going to be a blast. The trick I wish someone had shown me is how to connect Minecraft to Python, but don't worry, I'll explain every technical term in a way that's easy to understand. A technical term like API simply means a set of tools that lets different programs talk to each other. To get started, you'll need to have Minecraft in Python installed on your computer. Don't worry if you're new to coding, I'll explain every technical term in a way that's easy to understand. A technical term like API simply means a set of tools that lets different programs talk to each other. Here's how we're going to build our automatic farm. First, we need to connect Python to Minecraft using a special tool called Minecraft API. This will let us control the game with our code. Next, we'll use the mcpi function to plant wheat in our farm. This function is like a magic wand that can place any block we want in the game world. Then, we'll use water to make our crops grow faster. We'll place water blocks next to our wheat using the same mcpi function. Now it's time to create a harvesting loop. This is a special kind of loop that will keep checking if our crops are ready to be harvested. A loop is like a merry-go-round, it keeps repeating the same actions over and over again. To detect when our crops are ready, we'll use the mcgetBlock function to check the type of block at a specific coordinate. Coordinates are like addresses in the game world, they help us find specific blocks. Here's what the code might look like. Code x, y, z equals 10, 10, 10. mcsetBlock, x, y, z, 59, hashtag plant wheat. mcsetBlock, x plus 1, y, z, 8, hashtag place water. Great job so far, you're doing amazingly well. Now let's put it all together in a script that will automate our farm. We'll use a while loop to keep checking if our crops are ready to be harvested. Code, while true. If mcgetBlock, x, y, z, equals 207, hashtag check if crop is ready. mcsetBlock, x, y, z, 0, hashtag harvest crop. mcsetBlock, x, y, z, 59, hashtag plant new wheat. You've got this, just run the script and watch your farm plan itself. This is so cool, you're using Python to automate a task in Minecraft. You're learning about loops, coordinates, and game automation, and you're having fun at the same time. What you've built is an automatic crop farm that will keep planting and harvesting wheat for you. Now, try to experiment with different types of crops and see if you can automate other tasks in the game. Maybe you can build an automatic animal farm or a tree farm. The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to see what you'll create next. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Now that you've got a solid foundation in the basics, it's time to put your new skills to the test. Let's move on to the challenge section. Challenge. We want to see what you can create on your own. Try these challenges to take your coding skills to the next level. 1. Create a simple animation using loops and conditional statements. See if you can make a character move across the screen or change colors. 2. Build a basic game, like a quiz or a rock-paper-scissors game. You can use the concepts we covered earlier to make it interactive and fun. 3. Design an interactive story, where the user can make choices and see different outcomes. This will help you practice using conditional statements and functions. Remember, don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. It's okay if your code doesn't work at first, it's all part of the learning process. As you work on these challenges, you might encounter some common mistakes that beginners make. Don't worry, we've all been there. Here are a few things to watch out for. Forgetting to indent your code or using the wrong type of brackets. Make sure to check your code carefully and use the correct syntax. Using the wrong variable names or not declaring them properly. Take your time and make sure you're using the correct variable names and data types. Not testing your code thoroughly. Try running your code in different scenarios and testing different inputs to make sure it works as expected. If you get stuck, don't worry. Just take a deep breath, go back to the basics, and try again. You got this. What you learned today. Let's recap what you learned in this tutorial. Asterisk the basics of coding, including variables, data types, and operators. Asterisk how to use loops and conditional statements to control the flow of your code. Asterisk how to create interactive elements, like buttons and text inputs. Asterisk how to use functions to organize and reuse your code. We're so proud of you for making it this far. You're doing great. Now, we want to see what you've built. Please comment below and tell us about your project. What did you create? What challenges did you face, and how did you overcome them? We'd love to hear about your experience and see what you've made. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tutorials and fun projects. We've got a lot more in store for you, and we can't wait to see what you create next. Happy coding!